Извините, костел до Белграда. Это только не.
No, this is the Nándorfehérvár
Шашевар.
Yes, this is the Nándor.
Okay, that's
This is
the
the ex-Hungarian castle, yeah.
The ex-Hungarian castle. Uh-huh. Laszlo is from Transylvania, Hungarian, Romanian, Hungarian, Transylvanian, Transgarian sounds kind of funny anyway. But meanwhile, we're in Belgrade. Must be honest, I mean the city is impressive, but the castle is not that impressive so far. I guess the Vidin castle is even more impressive. The Vidin castle is more impressive than this one, isn't it?
10 times more.
10? Let me check with Laszlo. Laszlo, верификация! Castle? Замок?
Замок.
Замок? Только замок в Белграде. Он сказал, что Виден замок это как 10 часов хороший, как только. Что думаешь?
Igen.
So, let's go. Balkan tour day 1. We will need to refill our batteries and our Anyway, where would we go without our big friend?
Where the Turkish guys they were attacking.
I wonder where Alexander the Great beat the Jewish. He did?
He was not part of this war.
No?
No.
Then another one. I mean, you know, history repeats itself.
Repeat itself, no, but not in
Oh, it was against the blacks, right? Alexander the Great beat the blacks?
Alexander the Great is Macedonian, you know. Of course not.
Macedonia.
Let's take a
Come
picture
on.
here. They claim.
You mean like the backyard of Bulgaria, right? The dump site of Bulgaria, Macedonia.
Anyways,
Ooh,
wait, don't go there.
ciao.